How can we extract a 9 to 5 salary from the stock market daily? Well, today we're going to do it for the small guy. Hopefully the Bentley grabbed your attention, gave you some motivation. Now it's time to work. So pay attention, guys. We're going to go into the computer. I'm going to develop for you guys a simple strategy, but also a mindset. By the way, what we're doing here is called scalping, which means do not blink, because everything here is going to be done within minutes and seconds. Let's go. All right, guys, look, we're going to be doing a crash course here. Before we begin, you can see our capital is 8,000 one more time. After I doubled that account, I withdrew it. So 8 grand and we're starting over fresh. Let me show you the strategy. Simple. We're going to use this candle only. Wherever we see this candle, we will trade. I mean, guys, it's so simple, really. But look, we're going to trade in a way that is small. We're not going to go for life-changing money when we're doing this. This isn't for life-changing money. This is for quick money. You guys want to buy shoes? There, extract the money from the market. The market is there 24/7. But check this out. This is a wick, okay? Whenever we see this candle shape, and you'll see these candles everywhere in the markets, whether it's gold, whether it's silver, whether it's tech, whether it's Germany, this is the bottom of a wick, okay? This is the body, and this is the top of the wick. Okay, it's called the wick, and this is the body. The body is like a strong support. The wick, you usually get a bounce, and then this here, you usually get liquidity. So if the market bounces from this, but you notice it goes down further even after it bounces, it's because it wants to go here to this level, to this wick, and from here it bounces again. Now that's probably the bigger support. So you will use this whole candle as support. But if you're a scalper, you're using this, and you're taking a couple of trades out of each. And you'll see now, every time we hit a level around this candle, how the price reacts. You'll see price action is changing. So you trade US Tech 100 and Germany 40. That's the NASDAQ, by the way. Okay, and let's pull up something called... Do this for like, when you're doing this, don't think, oh, I'm gonna get rich out of it. I'm gonna do. No, guys, this is like, I don't know how to say this to you. I don't want to call it gambling, but I also I don't want to call it not gambling. This depends on you. If you want to make it consistently, it depends on you. But if you're hungry for money and you're bored, you will probably end up losing over time constantly. So look, here is gold and here's Germany 40. Let's look at gold. Now gold has a pattern. From an eye that is trained to the market, I can look at it straight away and I can tell you there's a pattern here. It's a head and shoulder. A head and shoulder pattern is bearish. Here's the shoulder and here's the head, and then that means the market can go down further. So that's just simplified my life already. So I can say this is now going to drop even further down, right? And I can look for that same candle. And I just want to give myself an idea that if I get to that candle, the price might bounce from here. So let's see, where's that candle? Can we see that same candle? We can assume this. Look where price of gold is. It's right on the wick, but it's also on the body. Now it's not exactly the same candle, but it has symptoms of it. One wick exposed, another exposed. There's the body. This is a support candle. Even though I said this is a bearish chart or pattern, head and shoulder, still, even if it's bearish, it's still gonna give me a scalp. I'm using fixed spreads and I'm in and out of a trade. So I'm just gonna grab my line here and put it here. You see, by the way, here it is. You see the way it bounced from it the moment it touched this level? Okay, you see that? Well, now it's gonna try come here. So those who bought probably made some money now. But yeah, this is gonna come down further. What I could do on this trade is say, okay, if it can come down further, well, I can short it. And there's quick 10 contracts open. Sell on gold, right? And you'll see, I'm a scalper. Remember, I'm in and out. Don't, just because you see me take big trades before, don't assume you'll do the same. Because sometimes not taking a trade can backfire. You're going to have to use a stop loss. You're going to have to come here, press stop loss, and you're going to have to put 15 points in every trade you take. So your risk is 15 points. And it's so easy to trigger 15 points, just so you know. Okay, so this was a short position, but look, we opened the short right when the price was at support. But to the to the eye of somebody who's not trained to this, they say this is gonna reverse because it says support. True, but remember what we said. We said the market, when it bounces from the body, which is just what it did now, by the way, bounce from the body, from the bottom of the body, it still has to go to the wick. The market usually likes to go there for liquidity. So there is the body. Where is it? On 1 hour time frame. So maybe we should talk about time frames. So remember, it's this candle we identified. We said this is the candle. Look where it bounced from. It bounced right from the body. You see? Look where the body of this candle is. Okay, look, we're in profit again. Not that we went there first. Okay, $200 secured. Remember, that's a short position. And now what I can do is I say, okay, it's getting close to the top. Like, I could look for a buy. Like, look how it is. Every time it comes down, it bounces. So because it's still pointing down, I like to avoid it. I want to just say, let's get it down to the wick. Remember what we said? We said it has to go to the bottom of this wick, of that body. So this is the body, this is the candle, and it needs to go here. Cool? All right. So there it is. 1 hour time frame. Yes, use the hourly time frame, and you can scalp it on 15 minutes. So there's the wick, the body of this candle. I'm looking at green, by the way, in case you don't know what candle I'm looking at. Always, when you're buying, you're looking at a green candle. If you're looking for support, you're looking at green candle. Resistance, we'll talk about second half of this video. Okay, so remember this. By the way, this you'll see like tutorials on that on YouTube, but this is more kind of, I wanted just to make it for you guys. Yeah, so it could go down further, right? Look at US Tech 100. We don't know what's happening here, really. What is happening with this? Okay, so what can I do here? Do I short it again? Do I? But you see, what I got from this was a quick scalp. I don't care about holding long. I just took a quick scalp and that's it. What else can we look at? Let's see if we can find anything similar to have like the similar symptoms that I just showed you. No, these markets, you could tell straight away that a market is shitty just by looking at the setup. Alright, maybe Germany 40 has volatility. When you see the candle is moving quickly, that means it has volatility. We'll put gold here to the side and let's see the German market. US market opens in an hour. You do the same thing you just learned to the US Tech 100, whether here or Wall Street. Trade the US Tech 100. This is the NASDAQ. It's very volatile. So you love volatility. Remember, you trade first hour of market open. So you don't have to focus on gold, because there will come a time where gold is just flat. Like there's no actual movement because it's supposed to be flat. Ugh, look at Germany 40. Double top as well. Yuck, yuck, yuck. But also it has something. So see this candle on gold, you see the way it bounced back? It's because we're a support candle. We're at this candle. But most traders will say, oh, this candle is, that's it, it's reversal. Wrong, my friend. Remember what we said? We said it has to go to this level. Remember what we said? And for that reason, it gives you a short sell position. I just opened the sell because we already determined that the price is like an algorithm. Trading, the market is like an algorithm. It has to go from A, B, C, D. Okay? Yes, sometimes you will short prematurely like I just did. But it will come down. It will come down to this level pretty soon. You'll see. And again, if we just zoom in, we can also see that it could bounce from this wick on the daily. Okay? So you could say, okay, well, where's my support level? You come in and you say, well, on the daily time frame, here's a candle. Here's another candle of support. Remember what we said initially? We said the market will bounce from these big candles, from these candles that look like this. So you see, I just identified them on the chart. So the wick is where we get the first bounce. So this red candle, it won't just move to the upside without coming to this, right? It has to come here because the market is an algorithm. This is your support. This is where buyers are waiting. So there is two supports, however. There is this here, this here. As a scalper, on the other hand, you can't afford to see it through all the way. No, you have a thesis in your head. You say this candle on the daily is coming to this level. And then for that reason, you're going short because you think it will come down further. Okay? Why can't you not afford to see it through? I'll tell you. Because you're a 1 to 200 leverage trader. You have a stop loss. Now, yeah, granted, I'm not using a stop loss for this one. But you're going to have to. And if I did use a stop loss, by the way, you would have got triggered by now. So, hold on a second. Alright, sorry about that. Just wanted to check what was going on outside. I'm an inquisitive guy. Yeah, so there it is, guys. You see here? What I could do... Now, the reason why you get a candle like this, even though it's ready to dip, it's because this is the candle to grab liquidity from the top. Now, I guess while we wait, let's explain why I've been shorting rather than buying. Well, number one, we said the market has to go to this level. This is the bottom of the wick you just seen earlier. Remember? So it was trying and getting there. But the market doesn't just go straight down. No. It's going to give you one green candle, hits that resistance, and then comes down in the next couple of candles. And for that reason, I opened the short. You just say there's space that it will come down to this level. That's it. Your thesis is made. Okay, now where do we go from here after that? By the way, you see the way we're back in profit now for the first time since entry. $150 secured. From a big loss to now a profit. We're now, for this session, $350 secured. Okay, now, resistance. That's what we talk about, resistance now. Okay, let's see if we can use something else for resistance. So, you guys should trade small, by the way. You see the balance here is now 387. Resistance is exactly that same candle, guys. Resistance is exactly the same candle. Just red. Okay, color coded. This candle is going to be red if we're looking for resistance. So when I found that sell, I did it because there was a candle similar to this. So let's see. One day. Okay, so there's resistance. A couple of resistance. All of this is resistance on the daily for the NASDAQ. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. I don't know how the NASDAQ is going to make an all-time high from here. Here's another. Yeah, this is going to come down. Guaranteed, this will come down. It has to come down and grab liquidity from the bottom before reversing higher. Okay. So yeah, you go for the daily. If you want the strong resistance, go for a daily time frame. If you want the resistance on the hourly, go to the hourly. But if you want the big one, it's like guaranteed, go for daily. So here's the hourly, same thing. What's the difference between hourly and daily? You just get a better entry. Like the closer you are time frame, you get to see the price better. The closer you are to your entry to resistance, the less likely your stop loss will get tested. And everybody will get their stop loss tested, by the way. So don't worry if you just don't spiral down. Stay small, guys. Look, this is simple. There's so many tutorials I'll put out on YouTube. The only problem here is this: consistency. So if you're gonna start with 1,000, do one contract, and even that will be slow. It's like I'm spending so much time to make $20. Do you forget that this is your hourly rate for 5 minutes? You say I'm spending so much time to make 100. Do you forget that's somebody's 2-day work? You shouldn't forget that, guys. This is like trading disconnects you from reality. You know, trading generally disconnects you from reality. So you put $1 million and you say, oh, my payout is only $500,000. Yeah, that's 50%. $500,000 is a house. All right, come back to earth, my friend. Come back to earth. You gotta get humble, or the market will humble you. That's why most people get greedy and get leveraged, and then they destroy it over time. And day traders, there's 97% failures because of that. So remember what we said. We said this is our resistance, guys, and you know, it's all resistance here, the market, but it's not pretty. So there's no volatility. You can see, unlike here, unlike gold, this thing hasn't moved. So there's no point to trade in it. So the only place or reason I will trade this is if it's market open. I will trade this on market open and nothing else. Germany 40. Germany 40. Germany 40. Yeah, Germany 40 may be better. Okay, here it is. Look. Look, look, look. Resistance, resistance. Same candles. Red, red, red. So Germany 40 will probably end up dipping. It will probably end up dipping as well. But there's no actual... I can't explain how to short this right now because the market is not... we could just do it on gold because gold had a certain play. So yeah, back to gold and back to support. Maybe we'll look to buy it now. Yeah. Yeah, look, there's another support level here. Remember, this is actually the original. Hold on. Let's go 4 hours. 4 hours gives you a better support. Exactly like this candle I drew out earlier. By the way, this isn't a coincidence. I make these videos on YouTube for the last 2 years. I've been making videos using that same candle. This isn't like, oh, he just drew it today and he got lucky that he found this candle and it's working out. Go to my YouTube videos. This is the candle I've been using, guys. You know, I've simplified trading because I've been here years. It's like second nature to me, guys. But I just know most people don't have it in them to succeed long term. Just due to the greed and it's just fast money. Fast money, nobody can control themselves around fast money, guys. And I mean nobody. So, you know, everybody claims to, but nah. Highly doubt. Alright guys, there's nothing here I can cover. That's it, $350 using the same concept I just shared with you. If you recognize certain patterns over time, you'll recognize certain patterns. And then you just put in support or resistance in this candle and you're done. All I did was trade this candle today and the fact there is patterns around it. That's it. Hopefully you enjoyed this. Thank you guys.